Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the feature in settings so your watch can speak the time. On your iPhone, open Watch, tap Clock, then toggle Announce Time. Make sure Siri is enabled and your watch is unlocked for settings to sync. Once done, confirm Sounds and Haptics volume is audible and set Do Not Disturb exceptions so announcements aren't blocked. This initial setup connects both devices and grants permission. Without it, the watch cannot vocalize the current time. Next, customize when and how the watch announces time. In the clock section, pick a frequency, every 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or leave it off and use Siri on demand. Adjust Siri voice and language in General Siri so the pronunciation matches your preference. Once set, test by saying Hey Siri or raise to speak. What time is it? The test confirms both timing and voice choices and helps you detect any sync lag between phone and watch immediately. Finish by verifying connectivity and software. Restart both devices, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and update Watch OS and iOS. Once done, recheck Announce Time and run another Siri test. If announcements still fail, toggle the feature off and on. That refreshes permissions. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to force a full setting sync. Troubleshooting tip: if speech is quiet, increase watch volume and check accessibility voice over isn't intercepting audio, since that can silence announcements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.